The Galaxy S26 Ultra is scheduled to be unveiled by Samsung on July 9th at the Galaxy Unpacked event. Unlike earlier models such as the S24 Ultra, S23 Ultra, S22 Ultra, S21 Ultra, and S20 Ultra, the S26 Ultra will not have a battery upgrade. But compared to the current 45-watt fast charging, it is anticipated to have improved faster charging speeds of 65 watts. Although the precise sensor is unknown, the S26 Ultra also boasts a 200-megapixel camera. Samsung plans to upgrade the primary camera sensor for the non-Ultra Galaxy S26 model, which may resemble the S26 Ultra, according to a report from last month. There is no proof that the S26 Ultra's design will change, but given Apple's releases of thin devices this year, there may be a visual change. According to rumors, Samsung is also planning to release the Galaxy S26 Edge, which may take the place of the S26 Plus, which is consistently the flagship phone with the lowest sales. Next year, Samsung's Exynos chips for the Galaxy S series might be released as a result. Samsung has started mass-producing prototypes of the Exynos 2600 chip, which will be used in the S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Edge. The Ultra model will only be able to use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip, according to Korean media. In comparison to the Exynos 2500, the Exynos 2600 is a 2nm chip that has some significant enhancements. It might not be as powerful as the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, but it ought to be fairly close. Right now, the only shocking leak is that the S26 Ultra's battery won't be changed, but it will charge more quickly, which is a good thing. Anyone who registers for the event by clicking the link in the description will get a $50 reservation credit from Samsung. Those who sign up will also receive additional perks from the organization. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.